Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
So here you can see the oil. I didn't clean it down there. I didn't clean that, so you can see how wet that look. So I'll probably go drive it and then check it out again. Alright, so we got a heavy oil leak over here. You can see some oil right there. You can see some oil right there. So what I'm gonna do, you can see all the oil everywhere. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to clean. I'm gonna clean that right there. Clean this right here real good. Clean this. And now, this is what I'm gonna do, because I have a feeling that the leak is coming from this valve cover here, and then it's going, this is the timing change cover, and it's going everywhere here. So what I'm gonna do, that's why I clean it with a brake cleaner. I'm gonna put this right here. This is some some white silicone. So basically what I want to do is whatever leak, if the leak is coming from up here, I want to trap that leak. So I'm gonna basically, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go down here, right here, come over here, then I'm gonna lock it right here. Then I'm gonna go over to make like a little swimming pool. And don't worry, this can be removed. So I'm gonna go over again. So if this thing is leaking from up here, when I drive it, that oil is gonna stay right there. That way I know exactly to confirm the leak that is coming from here, so I don't get confused having oil everywhere. So I'm gonna let it dry a couple hours, and then I'm gonna go and drive it. Alright, so that cover there, I took it off. The cover is right here. Okay, and also the seal that goes around, so we know exactly if the leak is coming from there. So I'm gonna clean this a little bit more, so I don't have no oil here, to confirm if the valve cover is also leaking. Okay, so I know for sure that it's clean. Alright, so nice and dry. Well, a little bit here, hold on. There you go. Sound like frying chicken. Alright, so I'm gonna let it drive it and see what happened. Yeah. Alright, so we got good news. I drove the car and you can see the oil right there. You can see it right there. So the oil, it is coming from the timing chain cover, and it goes everywhere here. So it might not need the valve cover gasket. That might be just the problem, just that right there.